Bula Vinaka, and a very warm welcome to everyone watching this short video of the 49th Fiji Independence Day. October each year is the anniversary of Fiji's independence from British colonial rule since 1970. It is a perfect opportunity for all Fijians to celebrate our independence, as well as sharing our culture, tradition, and food to all other ethnic groups. To 38 and 51 Brigade, all the units within the province, thank you for all your support which enable us to deliver such a great event. And lastly, the organizers and everyone behind the scenes, thank you for all the day you've put together. And to everyone else that took the time to come here and celebrate this great day together. God bless you, and God bless Fiji. Vinaka Vakalevu.